Khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ke Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association ka balabu thong hakmat na ka benta ban kentiu ya ki kam jengok kai perthai hagani ka jilla Meghalaya hagani ka kenti kala penbena pa ba bakan play ya ka para motoring bat ka para gliding hakikatu kan ki jaka ki babiang katkum ka jingya thu jong president jong kani ka kinhon uba Desmond Nongklau ula ong baka seng kala persang ban le ya ka para gliding bat ka para motoring hakasnong Maulen Dep Hanong Jurong, Halait Loom, but Hakasnong Rapleng ki badan ha East Khasi Hills District, but hagani ka kenti ka seng karanang wa jaka susu sa West Khasi Hills, but sa Jentia Hills na kabentaban le, ya gani ka paragliding but ka paramotoring. Ya ka jingay jingikai ka seng kan sa pensedang nado ka sautri ubnay no pra andala debyo ya ki jaka ki bapaka.
We are a registered non-profit organization. We work voluntarily. So we have been registered since 8th of July 2021. But the story begins right from two years ago, where most of my friends had come here. I took them around. These are professional pilots from Sikkim, from Pune, from Indonesia, and many other countries. They have visited here. They said, Desmond, look, this is a very good place for paragliding. So that's how the concept of paragliding and other aerosports activities have come up in me. So I'm the founding members. After that, I contacted people from the army, through Facebook. I got in touch with Jovial, who is one of the paragliding pilots. These two here, Robert Carlos and Batkupa, they are the paramotor pilots. So we are very lucky to have these people in the team. So now we have already formed a association. We have got our governing body members. I'm very happy to say that Mr. Banjok Mukim, who is also a member of the press, he is also a member of the governing body. So we are happy to have people like them. Then we have, now actually what our future plan is, we are trying to have a training session beginning from the first week of December. But before that, we would like to have a recce, and we would like to invite people from the state government, from the tourism department, from the sports department, so that they can come and be part of us, where we are going to have recce, the site selection for paragliding. In the site selections we have selected as of now is Nong Jurong, then number 2 is Rapleng in Light Loom area, number 3 is Katikatam, Maulen Dep area, and many areas in West Khasi Hills, and as well as Garo Hills. So this association is can take place in any part of Meghalaya. So we have got members from Garo Hills also. We want to promote paragliding there. And if we promote paragliding and adventure sports in those areas, the tourism automatically will be enhanced. So people will start coming. So having in mind that, we are planning to have paragliding championship, which is supposed to be taking place in February or March. So pilots from different parts of India will be coming here, and they can come and fly. It's a competition where you have to hit a spot. It's called a bullseye spot, and the winner who hits the bullseye spot will be the winner. So pilots from different fields, even from international as well as national level can come, even from regional level, like from Assam, then what we call Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. They have got their own association for paragliding right now, even from Sikkim also. So we are in touch with all these people. They are our partners. We have been working along with them. They are helping us out in every field. So we are very happy to have this kind of family, paragliding family, all over India as well as in Northeast. And now we want to start it in the state of Meghalaya. So we are looking forward for help from the state government so that this kind of sport, it's the mission of the vision of Honorable Chief Minister, who wants to take up tourism in a very big scale. So through that, we as paragliders, we can enhance tourism in the state through doing all these activities. Meghalaya is blessed with it's a learning site. It's one of the best learning sites in the world, Meghalaya. Number one, one tryout flight to route for Maurunda, Long Jerome, Raplang, take it West with Nagawan. It's really very beautiful. They long in technically long in it has to be recorded, and this in record Hakajington officials tourism sports department near Donlam, but officially but kini Jakarta kira ada juga but kita long banyak paragliding.
Pune usna marazar khasau nang tanga dep training nang tapat tanga la tray hang tu ka company nang ta nga la pendep sunspa ki customer ba ki joyride bang pendep te mentang le Meghalaya acha jantia state jantia hill te la long kumba aspa ngud ki passenger bagala dep flight hang ne
Tandem flight.
Oh, tandem flight. More than 300 hours.
Wow.
Because it's already taking customers. So from what I have seen is on a scale of 1 to 10, it's around 9. And there's a different type of training. Like I'm flying a backpack solo, which what Joey has said, you have parachute. Basically, mine is you just have a power pack behind, which are huge propellers. That's only solo flight. So I can only fly alone. Okay. I cannot take customers. I cannot. I'm not certified to carry any customers also.
Okay.
Because I haven't done that.
So it's solo flying, no dual.
Yes. But if I want to take customers, or if I want to
take passenger,
do this commercially, so I have to do another course for the safety of the other customers, which I will. At this moment, at this space, we have to go all the way to Pune
or Himachal.
We take them as of now 18 above.
18.
Yeah, but there are circumstances where the younger people also can join in. Okay, and for as of now, these pilots who wants to be trained, they can go for P1 and P2. This is very because all the basic concept of paragliding, handling ground handling of your parachute, then like all those will be involved. So it will be a very nice thing for them, and certified people will come, and they will also provide certificates for these.